We just arrived at the middle of the forest, and I want to introduce to you, this is the monkey banana trees. Monkey banana trees in Aceh, we also call this pisang bu. Okay, pisang bu or monkey banana trees, we always use this when we make a ceremony like a party. Okay, maybe I have someone in here, a local people. Maybe Mister, you can come here and give me some explanation of this.
Okay, this is, as we have just explained, that this is what we call as banana, monkey's banana. This heart of the monkey's banana is normally used for ritual meal.
Okay.
Ritual meal in wedding party or circumcision party or other party. Yeah, this kind of banana tree does not grow somewhere in like in the city, but it must be found in the jungle and in rural area like this. Like today, we come here, we take about 30 kilometers from
30 kilometers.
30 kilometers just to find this one.
Just to find this kind of
And
food.
this one, this steak is about 100,000 rupiah or about $4. The price of this one, not $4, I mean $7.
And
Just
these
for one.
hearts of banana trees, we can eat like this. Come on, man, look at me. We can just eat like this, and the taste is very delicious, right?
Really?
Yeah, the taste is very delicious. Careful of the gutta, huh? Gutta. All right.
So the taste is plain. It is not so. Just plain. What about the fruits? Can you show us the example? I think it's over there. Can you take it over there?
Okay, this is the fruits of banana monkeys.
Try to eat this one. The
Wow.
taste is really nice.
The taste is very good. You have to taste this.
This forest is in the middle jungle of North Aceh, Aceh, Indonesia.